Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Nginx server uptime using Prometheus and Grafana, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Nginx server uptime using Prometheus and Grafana, start by ensuring you have all the necessary tools installed. Begin by installing Prometheus on your server. Download the latest version of Prometheus from the official website. Extract the downloaded tar file using a command like tar xvf prometheus-star.tar.gz. Move the Prometheus directory to a location of your choice, for example, /usr/local/bin. Navigate to the Prometheus directory and open the prometheus.yml file in your preferred text editor. In the prometheus.yml file, configure the scrape configuration to include your Nginx endpoint. Use the /metrics endpoint to gather metrics from Nginx. Ensure that your Nginx server is configured to expose this endpoint by using the Nginx exporter. Now, install the Nginx exporter on your server. You can find the Nginx exporter on GitHub, downloading the latest release suitable for your operating system. Extract it and move it to a directory in your path. Ensure that it's executable by running chmod +x Nginx Prometheus exporter. Next, start the Nginx exporter, specifying the Nginx status endpoint. For instance, use /Nginx Prometheus exporter nginx.scrape URI equals http://localhost/Nginx. This will allow the exporter to collect metrics about Nginx uptime and responses. Once the exporter is running, go back to your Prometheus configuration and add a job for the Nginx exporter. Refresh Prometheus and verify that it's scraping metrics from the Nginx exporter. Now that Prometheus is collecting data, the next step is to install Grafana. Download Grafana from the official website. Install Grafana following the provided instructions for your operating system. After installation, start the Grafana server. Access the Grafana web interface by going to http://localhost 3000. Log in with the default username and password, which are both admin. Once logged in, you will be prompted to change your password. Next, add your Prometheus data source in Grafana. Click on the gear icon to access the configuration settings. Select Data Sources and then click Add Data Source. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.